Hello and welcome along to my first tutorial on how to use 2D design. We're going to start today with setting up the page, and this is going to be the first in a series of tutorials on 2D design and also Fusion 360, so watch out for that as well. Now this is what 2D design looks like when you open it up first. So today we're just going to get used to the user space, and we're also going to get to know a little bit about how we set our page up. So the first thing we do is just to alert you that the left hand side of the page, these tools and icons here are our drawing tools, and on the right hand side we have tools which are going to help us set up our page. You can also access some of these tools from the bar at the top. So we're just going to set our page up now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Gridlock. Now Gridlock allows us to actually draw a line connected to one of the dots. So for example, if I draw a line, I can draw it anywhere on the page now, and that's fine. But the beauty of Gridlock is, if I press Gridlock on, I can connect into one of these points. So I'm allowed to be a lot more accurate, and makes it a little bit easier. Now, I also want to explore the settings in Gridlock. And if you want to explore the settings on any of these tools, or indeed find out a little bit more about what those tools do, double click on them, okay, or hold them down. For Gridlock, if you double click, it brings up the settings, and the grid spacing it's saying are 10 millimeters apart. So that means the distance between dot and dot is 10 mil. So I'm going to change that to 5 and press OK. Straight away you can see the dots have actually come closer together. They're now half the distance apart. So when I go and draw a line on, it makes it a little bit easier. So that's the first thing I always tend to get my students to do when they're setting up the page. The second thing is actually page size. So you can do that two different ways. You can go File, Print Setup if you're connected to a printer. And you can see here that we're following a printer here, which is already connected. And I'm going to check my page size. I'm going to go for A3, and I go for Portrait just to see the page differ. So I press OK, and I confirm the settings now. There we go, and you can see the page has changed straight away to an A3 portrait page. If I'm setting my page up for something different, like for example for a laser cutter or something like that, then I would go settings, drawing layout, and I can go with standard sizes, so the A sizes, A1, A0, so on and so forth. Or I can actually go user defined, and I can set my page up as big or small as I want it. So if I go 1200 by 2400, this is the exact same size as the bed for our multicam router here. So you can see there that actually this represents an 8x4 sheet of maybe MDF or plywood or something like that. So you have quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to setting up your pages for 2D design. So it's important to get it right. So that's the very first tutorial over. I hope you enjoyed it. There's many more to follow. We'll be looking at how to actually draw and how to use the package. So stay tuned.